So yun guys, so nandito naman tayo sa ating YouTube channel at ating tunghayan at panoorin ang kauna-unahang subway sa Pilipinas na syempre, sino ba naman ang una nagtayo nito kundi lang ang ating mahal na Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Siya lang ang unang nakagawa nito sa Pilipinas. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy, huwag niyo kakalimutan na mag-like, mag-subscribe at pakipindot na rin yung bell button sa baba para lagi kayo updated sa ating mga latest video. So yun na guys, panoorin na natin itong ginawang subway sa Metro Manila.
This administration is determined to address these problems by providing sustainable, long-term solutions. This subway is one of those solutions. This project is part of a broader effort to improve our public transport system. Because in that regard, we have this year released more than 49 billion pesos for the railway sector under the DOTR. We continue enhancement works in key stations, including the MRT-3 Quezon Avenue Station, to improve passenger flow and accessibility for senior citizens and persons with disabilities. All these we do because we want future generations to no longer worry about traffic and distance when they make their life choices. At this juncture, I wish to recognize the BCDA and Mega World Corporation for granting the DOTR a perpetual easement of right-of-way for the construction of these stations. Thank you for your help and assistance. Because this means that this project begins constructions with 100% of the required right-of-way already secured. And anyone familiar with this kind of transport project, large-scale transport projects, will know and will remember that it is the right-of-way that is the hardest part of that project. And this again is an example of what we can achieve when we take on as our full partners in development the private sector and work together well to gain this kind of success. I also wish to express, of course, our deepest appreciation to the government of Japan and to JICA for their continuing steadfast support which we have enjoyed over many decades. With the scale and complexity of this project, we are exercising careful oversight and close coordination amongst all the implementing agencies and all our partners. We remain committed to sustain the momentum and to ensure that this project proceeds with discipline, transparency, and accountability. Certainly, this project will outlast its administration, but its benefits and impact will endure, serving generations of Filipinos yet to come. Ladies and gentlemen, the subway beneath our city also serves as a foundation for a greater nation above it. Let us continue this work with genuine commitment to improving the everyday lives of every single Filipino. Panahon na upang matudukan ang dekadang paghihirap ng ating mga commuter. Hangad natin ang ligtas, mabilis at komportableng biyahe dahil ang oras ng bawat Pilipino ay mahalaga at bawat minutong matitipid ay oras na may gugugol ninyo kasama ang inyong mga pamilya. Thank you very much. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas. Maraming salamat at magandang umaga sa inyo lahat.
Grabe no, talagang napakagaling at napakahusay ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Talagang mas inuuna niya yung kapakanan ng kanyang mga kababayan. Inuuna niya tayo mga kababayan niyang Pilipino na naglilingkod siya ng tapat at walang halong politika, walang mga halong mga kung ano man na ginagawa ng ibang mga nakarang administrasyon. Pero ito siya, nakatutok sa kanyang mga proyekto na para mapaunlad ang ating bansa, para mabawasan na ang kahirapan sa trapiko, yung mga ganito. Grabe, napakahusay ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. So yun lang, Kung may mga karagdagan kayong katanungan or opinion, paki-comment nyo lang sa comment section sa baba. At huwag natin kakalimutan na mag-like, mag-share ng video na ito para marami pang makapanood ng ating mga kababayan na magandang ginagawa ng ating mahal na Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa ating bansang Pilipinas. So yun lang, magandang araw sa inyo lahat.